Reporting from the office, Friday, about 2 o'clock in the 2 o'clock, yeah, 10 o'clock in the morning, and working today at the properties in the $1 million neighborhood. Already been on the job for 2.5 hours, and I probably walked about 3 miles with a load on my back, either a flipping backpack blower. My other guy's still down at the $1 million mansion. We're half completed with cleaning off the guy's driveway, which is, well, starts back behind me and goes about half a mile that away till you reach the house. So it's a pretty big deal, but work's got to be done, and I'm so glad it's Friday. It has been one long week, and I've got stuff at home I'd like to do. I've got stuff back at the shop I'd like to do. Need to work on equipment and get my other trailer back. Been Behemoth, which is about 2 feet wider than my other trailer, and I don't like it because I can't see behind me, and I can't function safely on the roads as I'd like to. It's roomy. I mean, it's nice and roomy, and the lights inside work, but I already had one accident. I don't know if that's going to show up, but there's a nice scar along the side where my first day out, and a nice dent my first day. Too close to a curb, and a tree limb made it scar down the side. So anywho, the next place we're doing is right over there. Another large property, and push mowing everything. His backyard it's a half mile just to push the backyard. So, and that's where I get to play. The other deal with, other than being exhausted when I get home, is still working with the, I've pretty much have worn the boot down. It's coming apart, but I still vastly need it. I just want to give these puppies and myself a rest, but God knows I'll get home and still work. And I don't know if you remember last July when I fell face forward into a bunch of riprap rock, but the bruise is still there. So to all you youngins, watch out after you pass 40. It's all downhill from there. Trust me.